Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable live preview in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Click on File. Now, you would ideally find this option called Options here, but if you don't, then click on More and then select Options. In the General tab itself, this is the default tab, you'll find an option under User Interface Options called Enable Live Preview. If you check this and click on OK, you would have enabled the live preview. Now to disable the live preview, you can click on File, go back to Options once again, and then disable it, and then click on OK. But before that, I'll show you the I button. So click on OK, and this is how you can disable the live preview in Microsoft Word. So this is the best way to sort out things. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.